great day. This is the news.
Tri-M is having their first meeting today in the band room. If you are in band, orchestra, or the choir, you are welcome to come.
Want to learn how to code and don't know how? Come to the computer club tomorrow in room 108 to learn more about contesting games.
Cross country ran well despite warm temperatures yesterday at their jamboree. Some personal and season best times highlighted the day. The Red Hawks run Saturday at the county meet. Good luck.
Speaking of cross country, stop by their fundraiser Tuesday, October 10th, anywhere from 4 to 8 p.m. Dine-in or carry out and no flyer required to support the cross country team.
The Athens girls varsity golf team wrapped up the regular season, defeating Oxford 185 to 222. Senior Sheikah Jah led all golfers, and Emily Lynn, Katie Stover, and Emma Koo helped for the win. Next up is Rochester Adams at Twin Lakes this Thursday. Let's go Red Hawks.
This is where Charity Week 2018 will happen. If you know a worthy charity, let the charity know that applications are on the Athens website and they are due October 20th.
Breaking news, there is a DECA meeting today after school in Mr. Holder's room. Bring your club fee of $50, check money order but no cash. Also, Project Lead meets tomorrow after school in the TAC. Have a great day.
Have an amazing day, Athens.
Have a wonderful day, Athens.
Make your day great.
Just have the best day you've ever had.
HYK Productions.
Saint Lamont District. Saint Lamont District. It's the Max Lamont District. Max Lamont District. Hold up. Max don't wanna see us winning, he wanna see us always losing. I said, boy, you better show up to school, cause I can't feel this project. And he didn't show up to school for 3 days, so I'm now writing a diss track on his head. Boy, don't play no games with my grades, cause I gotta pass with AA. Hey, I'm back on the track, my name is Sean Hendricks, and you know I could rap. I got all the flows, boy, you know what you do. I'm trying to get 100 bands, 422, hold up. Max, I'm really on your head.